Within a few weeks of being elected back in 2010, an elderly couple, I thought they were elderly, they're only about 10 years older than me, but they were completely broken, came to me at a surgery, convicted criminals, and told me an unbelievable tale about how the post office had got a dodgy computer system and it had wrongly convicted them of fraud and how they hadn't stolen any money. Lots of problems every day, and we have to employ like 24 engineers to sort all these problems out. He said, well, but you can't do that without the sub-postmaster knowing you're in their system remotely. And he said, oh yeah, we do it every day. We just couldn't cope with anything else. And of course, Michael Rudkin realised that all the prosecutions of sub-postmasters all relied on evidence. The Crown versus the sub-postmaster. The post office had prosecution rights. They didn't have to go through the CPS or the police. They could just put you straight into court as the Crown versus you, and had all the resources of the state, and they always relied on the evidence that no one could access those computers remotely without the sub-postmaster knowing about it. So any shortfall on the system got to be down to the sub-postmasters. When they realised who Mr. Rudkin was, he says they threw him out of the building. And he drove back from Bracknell up to northwest Leicestershire, arrived late, spoke to his wife, they went to bed. He said, and before they were out of bed the next morning, bang on the door. Rudkin, you've got a massive shortfall on your computer overnight, and you're going to be prosecuted. And they were. They were going to take the house off them.